So for the next two labs, we're going to look at Arthropoda. And again, this is the largest phyla of animals on Earth. And so for this, this is one of the few phyla that you should also know the subgroups. And here they're called subphyla. And so you're going to look at three of these today and then look at the last, so the fourth subphyla in the next lab. And so today you're going to look at Chelicerata. So that include things like horseshoe crabs, ticks, spiders, and we have a whole bunch of specimens, and there's also some slides. And the slides are mostly things like ticks. Then you're going to look at the Myriapoda, and these are the centipedes and millipedes. Myriapod just means lots of legs. And we just have some specimens. So all of these are relatively, or most of them are relatively large bodied. And then finally, you'll look at Crustacea. And so like we talked about in the lecture, Crustacea have some animals that have really big bodies and some that have really, really tiny bodies. So we sort of get the biggest variation of body size in Crustacea. And so we have specimens for you to look at. So different types of shrimp, and I think we have some crabs, barnacles. All of those are Crustacea specimens. And then we also have slides of the really little ones. And a lot of those make up the zooplankton in the oceans. So they basically float around in these big populations of really tiny individuals. And then finally you have a crayfish dissection. And so for this one, we did not take an individual video of me pulling it apart, but it's really easy to see the outside and then to see how I'm removing little bits of the carapace. And so you have a whole bunch of photos of the different stages of this dissection.